Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing. I haven't done a Boxy charm unboxing in a while, and it is time to open up a Boxy charm and show you guys what I get in the mail. I have the base box this month. Usually I get a Boxy Luxe, which is done every 3 months, and then I do a base box, which comes every month. So this is my base box for the month. It's actually quite big for a Boxy charm box. Usually they're about half this size or half thin. And we're gonna open it up. There she blows. So for this month, the theme is Mother Nature, obviously because Mother's Day was, just a couple of days ago. It was last weekend, and I literally just received my box like a couple of days ago. So in my box here, we have 5 full-size products, and the base box is supposed to be worth about $125 or more dollars, and you pay about $25 for it now, and it used to be $21 for it. So is it still worth the price that you pay at $25? So we'll find out. So I did put on like a base because I didn't know what I got in here. I've seen some sneak peeks from the base box, but it was like, I don't know what I have. So we're just going to pull things out of the box, and we're going to read off what we got here, and hopefully it's some good stuff. This is the first thing I am pulling out. This is an Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pad. And it says it's powered with Elemis's patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently and effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visible, luminous complexion. MSRP on this is $59, so it's still sealed. I'm actually going to try these later tonight. I'll give you guys an update on this one as well, so I will be adding this into my skincare routine. And then the next thing coming out of the box is, this is a Tarte product. Very pretty packaging, actually. This is the Micellar Magic. Okay, Micellar Magic. It says that the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. The ultimate lazy girl hack, this micellar water is gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wearing makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. MSRP on this is $18. So, I want to open this up. Very pretty. So here is the packaging. It comes in obviously a bottle, and oh, okay, that's interesting. So this is like one of those pumps that you see at Sephora where you like take a round cotton pad, or you can take like a cotton ball, and then you can, squeeze it into it and then wipe off the makeup. Actually, I might use a baby wipe too because those are really good. But that is the micellar water. MSRP is $18 on this one. So again, this one I like that it actually is a makeup remover and a cleanser in one. It says lazy girl hack. As a mom, sometimes on the go, it's just really, really hard to get in that morning routine where like you take everything off from the night before, or you are so tired when you go to bed, it's kind of like, oh, I'm going to use a makeup remover and we're going to be done. And so I'm going to have to try this out, add this to my skincare routine, see if it helps, and I'll give you guys an update on this one as well. And it has a 6-month life to it, so after 6 months apparently it's supposed to expire, so that's really interesting as well. So but $18 actually isn't bad for something like this. Alright, so we have a couple more things in here. We have this is cruelty free and vegan. This is the Trusty Q. Looks like it's a concealer of some kind. Trusty Q Cover and Concealer Crayon. Finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to the next level. MSRP on this is $24. And the color that is in this is porcelain. And I don't remember if I actually had to pick my... So it looks like a pencil. That's pretty cool. And then you take it off, and there's the concealer stick. So let's see There's the swatch. You can barely see it on my hand, but it does match my skin pretty well. So I will have to try this one as well because I already have my face makeup on for today. I have 2 more things left in this box, and we're going to be grabbing this one, which I knew that this was in a sneak peek. This is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette. It is a nude eyeshadow palette. So here it is for you guys to look at. So the Studio Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. It's an all-day, all-night creamy smooth eyeshadow texture. It glides on and blends with ease, provides true color coverage in a single stroke. I'm not gonna lie, this color scheme really reminds me of my Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palettes. So we are going to put this on today. This was in one of the sneak peeks that I saw, so that's why I didn't do my eye makeup today. And then the last thing in the box is this lip product for you guys to take a look at. And this one is an Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. It slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. It's a lipstick that has a stain finish and covers with one application, rich in color, and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. So, Studio Makeup MSRP is for $35, and then the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick, MSRP is for $21. So we got all of these products here that came in the Boxy charm. We got some skincare, we got some really good basics for makeup, which I really like. The base box is $25, and then we are going to add everything up on the card, and we're going to see how much everything is worth that was in the box, and then we'll get into the eyeshadow application really quick and just do something really simple and easy. We have a total of $157 in this box. You guys can see it there. $157 in the box, and I am really pleased with some of the things that I got this time. In some base boxes that I've gotten over the past couple months, I haven't really been pleased with it at all, so I've been kind of just putting it off, unboxing a Boxy, and I heard that this one was actually really good this month. So happy May to me. Seeing as I already have some of the base makeup on, we're just going to be using these 2, and then I will give you guys an update. I'll probably do like a first impression wear test with the concealer, and I can do a first, like a wear test with these as well. Leave a comment below if you guys want to see something like that. I would really like to know. So we're going to dive into this palette really quick here, and I'm just going to create a really simple, easy eye look. This is not really going to be a tutorial. It's just going to be me playing with the makeup. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see what's going on, what I'm putting on my face, and then we will zoom out, and I will give you guys kind of like a look-see at what it looks like, you know, when it's on your face. And here we go. Alright guys, so here we have an eyeshadow look with the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette. And then we also have the Appeal lip gloss on, liquid lipstick. So here they are. So what do I have to say about these real quick before we, you know, say goodbye? So what do I have to say about these? I really like the lipstick. I think it is a gorgeous color, and it actually was a lot more pigmented on my lips than what I expected, and it went on really creamy, really smooth. Can't wait to see the staying power that it claims. So I will give you guys an update on this lip gloss lipstick as it comes about. Stay tuned for something on that. And then we have the Studio Makeup easy to use eyeshadow palette, easy to wear eyeshadow palette. And this is a super nude eyeshadow palette. Retails for $35 MSRP. I did find that the colors, they blended really, really well. They created a really pretty, subtle nude makeup look. I think this would actually be a really great palette for bridal makeup. So if you are a makeup artist who does, you know, professional makeup for people for their weddings or for prom, this would be a great addition to your collection. The eyeshadows that I did use today were very pigmented. They didn't go on splotchy or, you know, nasty in any way. They went on really, really pigmented, really, really easily. Super easy to blend, and they do make an impact on your eye, and it is a very like nude, subtle impact is what I'm trying to say. Like, it's a really good nude palette. For $35, you could definitely add this to your makeup collection. It's going to be a great nude palette and serve you really, really well. So I do like this one, and I will be giving you guys an update on this one as well. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. I'm going to be doing another duped video, and we're going to compare these two. A dupe for the Urban Decay Naked palette, the Reloaded palette. So stay tuned for a duped video on that. You guys will see it. It will be coming to my channel, but we are going to do a duped video. One is a little bit more expensive than the other, but I thought you guys should know that now because it just kind of like popped into my head. So I will be giving you guys updates on the rest of the products that I received in my Boxy charm, from the concealer to the micellar water to the facial cleansing pads from Elemis. And I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up it. Subscribe if you guys want to see more. Can't wait to show you guys the duped video. Go check out some of the other videos in my duped series because they are awesome. And if you guys want to save a little bit of money, you guys can see how they compare if there's things that you're wanting to buy and then you don't know if there's the dupe. Go check out my duped playlist, which I will link in the eye for you guys, and I will see you later. Bye!